We came to SEMA 2 years ago and launched our Crate HEMI program with our 345 and 392 engines. Last year we came with our 6.2 liter Supercharged Crate, so 707 horsepower. So this year we delved back into our history books a little bit, and we're bringing a 426 cubic inch engine, aluminum block, supercharged Gen 3 HEMI that produces 1,000 horsepower and 950 foot-pounds of torque, and we'd like to call it the Hellephant. If we reach back into the history books, enthusiasts know that the Gen 2 HEMI engine, 426 HEMI engine, was known as the Hellephant engine because it was so big. So this engine's that same displacement, and on top of it we also put a big supercharger like we do on our Crate engine, so we just mashed them together and we came up with the Hellephant. So this engine is going to be launched and available for purchase in the beginning of the first quarter of 2019 through any Mopar dealer or performance wholesaler. And it is available for anybody who wants to put a very extreme engine into their project car. You can really put it in anything that'll fit it as long as it's built before 1976 or off-road use only. That's where the Crate HEMI Kit comes into play. So not only do we have the engine that's available for sale, but we also have everything you need for a plug-and-play install. So the controller, the wiring harness, power distribution center, even the gas pedal. Well, with an engine this extreme, you really need to put it into a car that's going to catch some attention. And since this is the 50-year anniversary of the Dodge Charger, what better vehicle to use to put a 1,000 horsepower crate engine in?